Garmin smartwatches have many features that can help you better understand your body. One of those features is the ECG app, available on select Garmin smartwatches. In this video, we'll show you how to use the app to take an ECG recording anytime you like. Now, let's get started. If you haven't already completed the initial setup for your compatible Garmin smartwatch with Garmin Connect, make sure to do that before continuing. When that's done, you'll need to complete the ECG app tutorial in the Garmin Connect app. Successfully completing this tutorial will enable the ECG app on your smartwatch. With your smartwatch paired to your compatible smartphone, open the Garmin Connect app. Select the device image at the top of the screen. If you have more than one device paired with Garmin Connect, tap the More icon. Then select the device you'd like to set up. Tap Finish Setup, then select Set Up ECG App. Next, tap Get Started. To view your ECG recordings in Garmin Connect, you'll need to enable two-step verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up this feature. Next, read the information detailing how the ECG app works, the results you might see, and the important things to know. At the end of the tutorial, you'll be prompted to take your first ECG recording. Follow the on-screen instructions. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.